Hello, I'm Chef Laura Bonicelli, and this quick win video is about how to put together a charcuterie board. Charcuterie, which dates back to 15th century France, used to refer to a plate of cured meats. These days, though, the charcuterie board has evolved to include cheeses and condiments, bread, crackers, fruits, vegetables, and more. A great charcuterie board starts with planning. You have a few decisions to make before you start assembling your ingredients, and the first one is, are you going to focus on a theme? There are some obvious ones with meats and cheeses. You can use products produced in a particular country, Italy, France, Spain, Greece, or you could gather local cheeses and meats, which has gotten so much easier with so many small producers making wonderful products. But my favorite thing to do is assemble some of my favorite items that complement each other, thinking about color and texture and variety and uniqueness. I like to do a little research on the producers and the characteristics of the product and put together a little information sheet. People will want to know what you're serving and where it comes from, and they will love that. So the second decision is, what are you going to put everything on? A cutting board, a marble slab, a shallow platter. There are many beautiful boards made just for charcuterie. You'll need some dishes and ramekins to put things in and on, small ones. Get everything together, and now when it comes to selecting your ingredients, which is of course the most fun part, I like to always have a couple of cheeses that are soft, one or two semi-soft, and at least one semi-hard or firm cheese that I can break into pieces. I always work with a variety of meats, and I usually make some of the bread, crackers, or accompaniments myself because I love that, and it makes the board much more unique. Oh, and you'll need some toothpicks, cheese knives, small forks, and plates and napkins for serving. So let's put this together. I like to start with my anchor ingredients. These are things that I know I want to be in a dominant position on the board, and I'll work around them. Now I'm adding in some of my meats, a little prosciutto. I have several different types of salami. There's some Genoa salami that I'm making into little rosettes and standing on end. And here with those, I'm working between a couple of ramekins so they stay upright. And now fanning some more salami. This is a Cotswold cheese that I've sliced and some aged cheddar that I've torn into chunks. Stand some of those crackers on end. And that's a little soda bread that I baked. More crackers, more salami, and some berries. You can be pretty random with those, even have them on your surface that you're serving them on. And now my little utensils, and finally some rosemary to garnish. And there it is. And that's a quick win about how to put together a charcuterie board. Thanks for watching.